What's up guys, welcome back to the channel where I discuss the CPA exam, the accounting lifestyle, and everything in between. If that sounds awesome to you, hit that subscribe button below and welcome to the family. First off, Happy New Year's guys. I cannot believe it's already 2019. Man, how fast time flies. But with the new year now upon us, it's time for new growth, new challenges, new goals, and my absolute favorite, busy season. As a manager going into my 5th busy season, yeah, that's right, 5th one, I know this time can be super hard, especially for some of you going into your first one. As busy season is just about to start and it's right upon us with the long hours, tight deadlines, and super hard accounting stuff that we have to deal with, I thought it'd be a great idea to come up with the 5 things I think you guys should do to not only survive but to thrive during this busy season. If that sounds interesting to you, let's hop into it. The first thing you should do to be successful during this busy season is to mentally prepare yourself to work. Before starting on your first client during this busy season, mentally prepare yourself and know exactly what you're about to get into. Busy season is hard, super hard, but we're CPAs, we're meant for this stuff. Now, with that being said, going into busy season with a state of mind that you will outwork everyone and you will grind like no other puts you in a state of mind that you can achieve and do anything. The second thing you need to do during this busy season is go into busy season with the mentality of a student. Think of busy season as a super hard but fun boot camp, kind of. Trust me when I tell you, while you're going through it, it'll be super hard, but I promise you, the person you become after each busy season you go through will shock you. As I stated earlier, as a manager going into my 5th busy season, I cannot begin to tell you guys how excited I am, as crazy as that might sound. The reason I'm so excited for busy season is because I've always entered busy season with the mentality of a student. I am so excited for the new challenges, new responsibilities, and new opportunities for me to grow. Going into busy season with the mentality of a student will help you get through those tough times we all go through. The third thing you should do during this busy season to make sure you are as successful as you can is learn to say no. This skill of learning to say no is something that I personally still work on and try to master each and every day. During this busy season, you will be busy, and I mean super busy. And I know I said earlier that you need to outwork everyone and you need to grind like no other and you need to blah, blah, blah. I know I said that, but at the same time, do not overwhelm yourself. If you legit have way too much on your plate and someone's delegating something to you and you really will not be able to get to it, then just kindly ask if they can maybe delegate that task to someone else. This skill of learning to say no when you absolutely cannot does not only apply to accounting but also to life. Trust me when I tell you, nobody likes a yes man all the time. In business, the rule of thumb is under promise and over deliver. I'll repeat it again. Under promise and over deliver. Forget about just busy season. How to be successful in public accounting, I can sum it up in those words. Under promise and over deliver all the time. The fourth thing you should do during this busy season is always keep in constant communication with your teams. I don't care what level you're in, always keep a constant communication with your client and teams. The worst thing you can do in business and public accounting is sit on a small problem and let it become a big one, and the only reason that it became a big one is that you sat on it and you completely ignored it. Do not let this happen to you. If an issue comes up and you find out about it, whether big or small, bring it up to your team. So make sure you let your senior, your manager, your partner know how the job is going and if any problems arise early on. The 5th thing you should do to have a successful busy season, and I think probably the most important, is maintain your hobbies and personal relationships. Although busy season will consume the majority of your life, try to save one day on the weekend, whether it be Saturday or Sunday, depending on what day you choose to work. Make sure you save that one day a week where you spend your time doing your hobbies, spending time with friends, or your significant other. Trust me when I tell you guys, I know how it is going into my 5th busy season. I know it can be hard to balance work, life, everything else that comes at you, but trust me when I tell you guys, always make time for the things that you would do if no one paid you to do them. So make sure you make time for that hobby, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or whatever it is that's important to you and adds value to your life, because without them, we would not be able to do what we do on a daily basis. And I also wanted to add, spending time with my significant other on the Sundays, making these YouTube videos on Sundays, makes me feel so refreshed, recharged, and ready to go for the week every Monday. Trust me guys, busy season can be a very tough time, but if you look at it more as an investment in yourself and your personal growth, I promise you guys it'll be so much more enjoyable. So whether you plan on staying in public accounting forever like me, or you're not sure yet, Go into busy season with a student mentality ready to work and learn. And if you do this, I promise you, busy season will be the most bittersweet time of your accounting career. So there you have it, guys. These are my 5 tips to make sure you're successful during this busy season. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you found the video helpful in any way, please hit that like button below. And also, guys, don't forget to add me on Instagram at Bryan_Carreto, where you can catch daily vlogs of a CPA, get your weekly dose of men's fashion, and also engage with me because I'm super interactive on there and I love getting your messages, comments, DMs, and everything else. So make sure to add me on the gram. All right, guys, until next time, work hard, dress well. Peace.